Welcome to Solving Equations, and today we are going to look at using additive and multiplicative inverses. In the first question, 15 minus 2x equals 9x minus 7. I'm going to aim to get all the x's on one side. So I want to get rid of the 9x. I have to subtract 9x on both sides. So I have minus 2x minus 9x equals, I already have a negative 7. So if I want to get rid of the positive 15, I subtract 15. On the left-hand side, negative 2x minus 9x is negative 11x. And then minus 7 minus 15 is negative 22. To get x alone, I need to divide by negative 11. What I do on the left-hand side, I do on the right-hand side. Negative 11 divided by negative 11 cancel, so therefore I've got x. The negative and the negative cancel, and therefore 22 divided by 11 is 2. Therefore, x is 2. 6x plus 3 is 27. I want to isolate the 6x, so I need to get rid of the positive 3. So I'm going to subtract 3 on both sides. So therefore, 6x equals 27 minus 3. I write the 6x down. 27 minus 3 is 24. 6x means 6 times x, so I need to get rid of the 6 by dividing by 6. What I do on the left, I do on the right. 6 and 6 cancel, so therefore x equals 24 divided by 6 is 4. So for this question, I'm going to take this x over to the right-hand side. So in other words, I'm going to subtract by x on both sides. And I'm going to get rid of this negative 15 by adding 15 on both sides. And 7 plus 15 is 22. And 3x minus x is 2x. And then to isolate x, we divide by 2. What I do on one side, I do on the other side as well. And 22 divided by 2 is 11. So 11 equals x, which is exactly the same thing as x being equal to 11. And then over here, just for fun, I'm going to take that 2x over again. So I've got the 5x over here, subtract 2x on both sides. I've got a 4 over here. So I want to get rid of the positive 5 by subtracting 5. So therefore 4 minus 5 is negative 1. 5x minus 2x is 3x. And then to isolate x, I divide both sides by 3. And that gives me negative a third is equal to, remember the 3's cancel, so therefore the answer is x. Now for those of you who don't like doing it that way, you could have also have your 2x on the left, get rid of the 5x by subtracting 5x. Then keep your 5 on this side, get rid of the 4 by subtracting by 4, and then 2x minus 5x is negative 3x. And then 5 minus 4 is 1. Divide both sides by negative 3. The negative 3's cancel. So as you can see, x is still negative a third. You can do whichever way suits you best. And here's another one. So I already have a positive 9x on that side, so I'm going to keep my 9x on this side. I don't want the negative 2x, so I'm going to add 2x. Then I've got my 13 over here. I'm going to take my negative 9 away by adding 9. And then 13 plus 9 is 22. 9x plus 2x is 11x. To get x alone, we divide by 11. What I do on one side, I do on the other side. 22 divided by 11 is 2. And then the 11's cancel, so therefore 2 is equal to x, or you can just write x equals 2.